This coffee grinder is our new model K90. Well, it's very popular from his appearance, good looking, and also the settings of the parts inside is very quality assurance. So the burst inside is 83 millimeter. The large burst can make sure the grinding speed and also the grinding fineness. This is the power button. Yeah, power button. And also with 5-inch touch screen. It has also 4 grinding modes for you to choose. The pre-selected mode, the direct mode, automatic mode, and also standard mode. 4 grinding modes for you to choose. Also the bean hopper from 850 gram to 1,606 gram bean hopper size for you to choose. Yes, that's the brief introduction for this K90 coffee grinder.